Very good morning, dear students of standard 6. Again I have came with the English subject. Already I have provided you the explanation of Anak Krakota. Okay, so here are the notes of the same lesson. So keep ready with your books and pen, and you have to write down all the notes. Now see, these are the meanings which you have to write down. Hope you all can see all the meanings. First is erupt. Erupt means what? Explodes or burst out suddenly. कुछ भी चीज़ burst out, जैसे क्रैकर्स तुरंत आप लगाते हो और फिर कुछ टाइम में वो burst out होता है, तो that is called a erupt. Crust, a hard outer covering of something. जैसा अर्थ क्रस्ट बोला है, कुछ भी आउटर कवरिंग, जैसे कोकोनट का शेल कैसा रहता है, हार्ड रहता है ना आउटर कवरिंग, तो उसको क्रस्ट बोलते हैं. तो उसी तरीके से अर्थ का क्रस्ट को बोला गया है. ट्रेमेंडियस, वेरी ग्रेट इन अमाउंट और लेवल. चंक, रफली कट लम्प. चंक यानी छोटे छोटे आग के गोले जिसको कहते हैं. डोरमेंट, नॉट एक्टिव. एक्सटिंक्ट, नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग नाउ. Disaster, an event which result in great harm, or you can say great harm, damage or death. Okay. Tsunami, an extremely large wave caused by movement of the earth under the sea, often caused by an earthquake. Collapse, to fall down suddenly because of pressure or lack of strength or support. Plume, a tall thin mass of smoke, dust or similar substance that rise up into the air, visible, can be seen. Termite, a small white tropical insects which eat wood. Teeming with, phrases है ये. Pull off, affected, influence to change. Interfere, to involve yourself in the situation when your involvement is not wanted or it's not helpful. मतलब ज़बरदस्ती हम किसी के बीच में घुसते हैं ना बात करने के लिए या इंटरफेयर करने के लिए, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इंटरफेरेंस. ओके, नाउ कम हियर इन असाइनमेंट 1. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है? फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स एंड देयर इज अ आंसर ऑल्सो. द आंसर आर अंडरलाइन डायरेक्टली. ओके, अब फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में जो अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है दैट इज द आंसर. यानी ये क्वेश्चन ऐसा रहेगा, क्राकोटोआ इज एन डैश इन द सुंदा स्ट्रेट, सो आंसर विल बी आइलैंड. A volcano is a dash or opening in the earth crust. Answer is crack. Clouds of smoke, burning chunks of rock, and the red hot lava are thrown out by a volcanic eruption. An active volcano erupt the cause great disaster. The extinct volcano is unlikely to erupt again. These are all fill in the blanks. Okay, the eruption of Krakatoa in 1883 caused giant waves or tsunami in the sea. Can you see? You can write down the fill in the blanks in your book. These fill in the blanks may come in the form of fill in the blanks also. It may come in on the form of answer in one sentence also. So you have to by heart all these things. And before by hearting, you have to read the textbook. Now this is question number 3, but you have to write question number 2. Okay. What is the question over here? Find from the passage the verb used with the following noun and phrases. Options are given to you: volcano, molten rock, volcanic mountain, dust, 165 villages and town. Now noun and phrases में क्या है? volcano. ठीक है, volcano का verb क्या आएगा? erupt is, has erupted, erupted. molten rock is, volcanic mountain was, dust was thrown up. यानी ये आपको फ्रेजेस के साथ आपको कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस करना है. ओके. 165 विलेजेस एंड टाउन वेर डिस्ट्रॉयड, ये आपके बुक में ही है. नाउ हियर आर द डायग्राम्स, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सी, ड्रॉ अ डायग्राम टू शो द वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन, फॉर्म द डिस्क्रिप्शन गिवन इन द पैसेज. आपको जो पैसेज में दिया हुआ है, मतलब जो यहाँ पे डिफाइन किया हुआ है, जैसे वॉल्केनो हो गया, अर्थ क्रस्ट, क्रैक्स इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट, हॉट मॉल्टन रॉक, रेड हॉट लावा, स्मोक, ऐश, बर्निंग चंक रॉक्स, ये सब का आपको डिफाइन करना है. व्हाट इज दिस पिक्चर इज अबाउट? दिस पिक्चर इज अबाउट अ वॉल्केनो. नाउ ये जो चंक है, दैट इज, दिस इज अ स्मोक. ओके. हॉट मॉल्टन रॉक, ये बर्निंग चंक जो आग का गोला रहता है ऑफ रॉक्स. ये अर्थ क्रस्ट यानी हार्ड पोर्शन ऑफ द अर्थ. ठीक है. और ये जो है लिक्विड जैसा ये लावा है, हॉट रेड लावा दैट इज कमिंग आउट. एंड हियर इज अ क्रैक्स ऑन द अर्थ क्रस्ट. सी, you have to draw this diagram very neatly. Okay, now come to next one. Now show the 3 categories of volcano using the following tree diagram. This is a tree structure. Okay, now kind of volcano. अभी काइंड ऑफ वॉल्केनो में हम लोग ने क्या पढ़ा था? 3 पढ़ा था, राइट? एक्टिव वॉल्केनो, डोरमेंट वॉल्केनो एंड एक्सटिंक्ट वॉल्केनो. एक्टिव में क्या होता है? इरप्ट रेगुलरली, कभी भी होता है. डोरमेंट, नाउ क्वाइट, अभी वो शांत है. एक्सटिंक्ट, रॉक फॉर्मेशन, इंडिकेट पास्ट इरप्शन, नो रिकॉर्ड ऑफ हिस्ट्री, हिस्ट्री में कोई रिकॉर्ड इसका नहीं है. दिस इज अ ट्री ऑफ अ वॉल्केनो. Now see here, this is the next question, question number 5. Here it is written 6, but you have to write question number 5. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of B, B, E, B from those given below. ठीक है. अभी यहाँ पे ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है is, am, are, was, were. I dash delighted to know that you dash, so keep on reading a new book. ये डायरेक्टली आंसर यहाँ पे फॉर्म दिया है. I am delighted to know that you are, so keep on reading the new books. यानी am and are. Okay. Mohan dash is my cousin and Nilima dash my sister. Mohan is my cousin and Nilima is my sister. Third one. The birds dash is in their nest yesterday, but they dash not there today. The birds were in their nest yesterday, but they were not there today. Weren't they? The animals dash right now in their cage, and the keeper dash with them. Here are and is. Next one. Nilesh dash very nervous during his maths exam. Was. Sixth one. I dash wet. Let me in means I am wet. Let me in, said the stranger to the children, who dash surprised, who were surprised. Seventh one. Ordinary glass dash colorless, but it dash able to produce colored and transparent glass. Answer is. Eighth one. English dash is the strictest language you ever did see. English is. Okay. So these are the answers. We have to write it down. Now again come to assignment number 2. Okay. Complete the following. There was fill in the blanks and here is complete the following. The part of Java greatly affected by Krakatoa's eruption was the western coast. When the scientists visited the area around Krakatoa in 1884, he found it just one spider there. The new island which grew from the old island of Krakatoa was named Anak Krakatoa. Since 1950, the island has grown at an average rate of 5 inches per week. Got it? You have to write all these things in your notebook. Now next question. Again here we have the same thing. This will be question number 2. Find the passage of the verb used with the following noun. Volcano, broke through up, the wind and sea bought, seed came, bird flew. Okay. Now there is a fill in the blanks. Question number 3. Here it is written question number 4. You have to write question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of have or do from those given on the bracket below. We not a raincoat and so he got wet. We did not have a raincoat and so we got wet. Next, you your homework yourself. Did you do your homework by yourself? So, we, the student of class 4, a request. Have a request. You have to put the correct option from here. Okay, which will match with the sentence. Or you can say you have to form a sentence with these words. The Sultan was a great ruler and a deep regard for a law. Had a great regard for a law. Silver many useful properties. Has. Fables are short story that a moral for us. Have. 7th one. Had the book with her yesterday, but she not them now. Had, does, have. 8th one. We go to school by bus or we a cycle. Does we go to school by bus or does we have a cycle? So this you have to note it down. Okay, students. Now see, this is another question related to the same. Draw a diagram to show how life returned to the island. Label the diagram. You have to make a diagram and you have to show. जैसे यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. Wind, sea and bird bought seed of plant. ठीक है. How life returned to Rakata. After that, aquatic plants and animal came to the coast. धीरे धीरे जो animals और aquatic plants है वो sea coast में आने लगे या उगने लगे. Next one, small animal like ant, termites, rat, lizard travel the island on plant. Okay, these are the life, how living things return to Rakata. Okay, you have to do this. So here we complete our lesson number 2.4 notes. You have to write all the notes in your notebook without fail. Till then, goodbye, complete your work.